Hello, little mathematicians. Today we are going to learn how to solve a very easy addition problem. 2 plus 1. We will use pictures, counting, and colors to make it super fun and easy to understand. First, what does addition mean? Addition means we are putting groups together. When we put groups together, the group gets bigger. Here are 2 red dots and 1 blue dot. We put them together to make one bigger group of 3 dots. Now, let us solve 2 plus 1 using apples. Here are 2 apples. Let's count them slowly. 1, 2. Great. Now, we will add 1 more apple. That is what plus 1 means. Now, we add 1 more apple. We put it with the first 2 apples. Now we count again. Slowly. 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let us try the same idea using stars. Here are 2 yellow stars and 1 more yellow star. When we put them together, we count 1, 2, 3. That is the same answer again. Now let's use toys. Imagine 2 teddy bears. We count them 1, 2. Now we add 1 more teddy bear. Counting all together gives us 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. We can even use our fingers. 2 fingers plus 1 finger equals 3 fingers. You can try it with your own hand right now. Let us solve it slowly one more time. We start with 2, then we add 1 more. 2, then 1 more makes 3. That is the answer. Now, a quick review question. What is 2 plus 1? Think about it. Count it with your fingers, apples, or stars. The answer is 3. Great job. You did an amazing job. Remember, addition means putting groups together. 2 plus 1 equals 3. See you next time for more math fun. We will explore patterns with natural numbers, learn simple addition like 3 plus 2 for kids, and practice bigger 3-digit addition and subtraction. Let's go slowly and clearly, step by step. First, let's see patterns on a number line. Natural numbers start at 0 and count up 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Each step moves 1 space to the right. That is a very simple pattern. Now look at a different pattern. Skip counting by 2. We land on 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. The pattern is plus 2 each time. Patterns can also be shown with shapes. Here is a growing pattern of squares. 1 square, then 2 squares, then 3 squares in a row. The pattern is increasing by 1 square each step. Now, let's teach a very simple addition. 3 plus 2. We will use colorful circles to show groups. Here are 3 circles. Here are 2 more circles. That means we are adding 2 more to our group. Let's combine the groups. 3 circles plus 2 circles makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Now let's look at a simple subtraction. 5 minus 3. We start with 5 circles. We take away 3 circles. 1, 2, 3 are removed. We are left with 2. Now, we will practice bigger numbers. Here are 4 examples of 3-digit addition. We will go slowly and line up the ones, tens, and hundreds. Example 1. 235 plus 164. Add the ones. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Add the tens. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Add the hundreds. 2 plus 1 equals 3. The sum is 399. Example 2. 478 plus 329. Ones. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Write 7 and carry 1. Tens. 7 plus 2 plus 1 equals 10. Write 0 and carry 1. Hundreds. 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals 8. The sum is 807. Example 3. 706 plus 195. Ones. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Write 1 carry 1. Tens. 0 plus 9 plus 1 equals 10. Write 0 carry 1. Hundreds. 7 plus 1 plus 1 equals 9. The sum is 901. Example 4. 812 plus 143. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Tens. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Hundreds. 8 plus 1 equals 9. The sum is 955. Now, let's do 4 examples of 3-digit subtraction. Remember to line up the ones, tens, and hundreds and borrow when needed. Example 1. 642 minus 318. Ones. 2 minus 8 needs borrowing. Borrow 110 to make 12. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Tens. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Hundreds, 6 minus 3 equals 3. The difference is 324. Example 2, 900 minus 457. We need to borrow across zeros. Turn 900 into 890. Borrow again to get tens. Ones, 10 minus 7 equals 3. Tens, 9 minus 5 equals 4. Hundreds, 8 minus 4 equals 4. The difference is 443. Example 3, 731 minus 268. Ones, 1 minus 8 needs borrowing. Make 11 minus 8 equals 3. Tens, 2 minus 6 needs borrowing. So 12 minus 6 equals 6. Hundreds, 6 minus 2 equals 4. The difference is 463. Example 4, 805 minus 179. Borrow from the hundreds to make tens. Ones, 15 minus 9 equals 6. Tens, 9 minus 7 equals 2. Hundreds, 7 minus 1 equals 6. The difference is 626. Now, try these practice questions on your own. Pause the video and solve them. 1. What is the next number in the pattern? 2. 4, 6, 8 blank. 2. Solve 347 plus 259. 3. Solve 812 minus 436. Great job! You just learned patterns with natural numbers, a gentle way to understand 3 plus 2, simple subtraction like 5 minus 3, and strong skills with 3-digit addition and subtraction. Keep practicing, and you will get even faster. We will explore patterns with natural numbers, learn addition with colorful groups, and practice 3-digit addition and subtraction. We will move slowly and clearly, step by step. First, let's look at patterns with shapes. A pattern repeats in a predictable way. Watch how the colors repeat. Red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow. Now a number pattern. Here is a simple pattern. 1, 3, 5, 7. The numbers go up by 2 each time. This is a pattern of odd numbers. We can also see patterns on the number line. We will start at 0 and jump by 2 each time. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Each jump is the same size. Now, let's learn addition with a simple story. We will add 3 and 2. Here are 3 apples. Then we add 2 more apples. We count all the apples together to find the total. 3 apples plus 2 apples gives us 5 apples. Let's show the equation. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now we will add 5 and 4. First, let's use colorful balls. Here are 5 balls. Then we add 4 more balls. Count all the balls to get the total. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Let's show the equation clearly. Now, let's show 5 plus 4 on the number line. Start at 5, then jump 4 steps to the right. We land on 9.